Hello everyone. This, you probably have seen this many times. It's like a rope cutting saw, and I got this from Temu. So it was about like $3-4 or so. They are different shape, different colors and sizes and everything. This is maybe the cheapest one. So I'm gonna try it with this wood here and see if it's gonna cut it. Okay, and so you need to hold it. Oh, yeah, stuck. Okay. Yeah, stuck. I don't know. It's cutting. See that? But it's stucking. So it's not smooth cut. You need to. See, once you go deep a little bit, and this chain, the cutting thing, all stuck. I don't find it really practical, as you see. But you know, I mean, for $2 or so, maybe it's good for small branches. I don't know, but it's stuck. So as soon as you go a little deep, it'll stuck. Yeah, as you see, maybe it's good for small like wood branches or you know, soft wood or so. But you know, just check it out, quick test and review. Maybe the like a bigger, thicker. This one is so skinny. Maybe if you go like with the bigger one, it's much better than this one. Thank you. See ya.